Welcome to another episode of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Razan, how are you?
Hey, very good afternoon in this evening.
Very good evening, yes.
Yes.
Very special mood. You know, people make comments, they think that we're going out. Pretty sick, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with people, but it's funny, guys. Keep it up. Keep up the humor. Today we are going to give away some sushi makers, Maki makers, as you saw. And we're going to be choosing some random comments here.
Yes.
So right now, as you see, I'm going to just going to videotape this as we do this. I'm going to copy Searing Hiro, and then we're going to go to picking a random comment. I'm going to paste all the comments here. We're going to load the comments. Let's see how many comments there are total. Wow, this one's a lot. Okay, 1,742 comments.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna randomly pick 8 people, okay, Hiro?
8 people, right?
Yeah, so you do the honors. I'm gonna be sitting here filming you. Okay, ready?
Yes.
The first one.
First one.
Zesnoon Pat Q, okay? Congratulations. Okay, Hiro, that's the first one.
First one. Okay. Next one.
Second one. Chrysemius. Chrysemius. Congratulations. Okay, Hiro. Third one. Seath 2K. Okay. Congratulations. Uber LD14. Okay.
Good
Congratulations.
afternoon. Yes.
Yes, nice comment. Okay, gonna go for the
Fifth.
yeah. Brandy Camiras, congratulations. Okay.
Our life with friends.
Our life with friends. I always like your videos because I love watching your wonderful videos. Thank you so much. Okay. The last one. Oh, is this the second to last one?
One more.
G33 K-Cast. Congratulations. Okay, Hiro, and one more. And Lou9617. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Hiro.
Good afternoon.
Well, there you go. Thank you so much,
Thank you
all
very
of you,
much.
for being part of this giveaway. If you won, send us an email so we can send this out to you. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
And congratulations. We hope you like the following video. Enjoy. To another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Yazan, how are you?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Got a great episode today for everybody. Really a special ingredient that we want to share with everyone.
Yes.
We are not paid by this company. This is Da Braga, and they're out of New York, America's Butcher. Here, lift that piece of beef and let everyone look at this. And if you see the marbling, it is proof that this thing is going to be so delicious.
Should I open?
Yes, open it. But just take a look at this. Beautiful piece of New York strip steak. And Hiro's got a great recipe. Look how thick this is. It's unbelievable. So I know that's a lot of money to pay for a steak. If you guys have a special occasion or you want to give this a try, we'll leave them information down below so you can take a look at them and contact them.
This is egg.
Oh yes. So Hiro's got a special recipe. He's gonna, normally you see him cooking and stuff, and cooking and on my channel, his channel, and how he prepares beef the way he likes it.
Actually, I have done with the ribeye steak on my second channel. Usually, the beef, it depends on thickness and also how well you want to cook, rare or medium rare, especially. If you go to the well done medium, after you take out from the refrige, you can straight to go cook if well done in that
Right.
case. But it's also that depend on thickness of the beef. So actually, me myself, I like a steak like a medium. Medium rare or rare. Even the Canada guy likes rare too.
I love a rare.
So
yes.
in your case, it's more like a inside, more like a raw
Right.
type of the steak you like. So which I call the beef tataki.
Mm-hmm.
But in this case, I do. We're going to cook medium rare to medium rare, but all the way inside is kind of pink.
Mm-hmm.
That's I'm try to do today.
Okay.
So this beef, we just take out from the freeze cooler about 40 minutes ago. It's
Mhm.
already completely defrosted already. But today I'm gonna use this container, the kind of hot water from the top, and plus I'm gonna use a little bit of boiling water, and I keep the water 120 to 125 degree. First I'm gonna put the salt and pepper,
Okay.
and I put into the Ziploc
Okay.
and seal it tight. I put into the kind of 120 to 25 degree. Hot water for 30 to 35 minutes.
Okay.
Then after that, I'm gonna start.
All right. Very good.
let's go.
That's right.
So first I'm gonna put the salt and pepper. And today's beef is very very thick, you know.
Yes.
Our dream come true today. I'm always going to the supermarket. Oh, I'm gonna eat that much the thickness of
Yeah.
the beef.
Now we have it, and look at this piece of meat. Beautiful, huh?
Yes.
Even the sides are so thick, Hiro.
Mm?
Even the side of the steak is so thick.
Yeah.
Got a season everywhere. If you don't want to pick up a piece of meat like this and go to your local butcher, and you can do the same process. You all have to try this once in your life. It's so good.
Okay, salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna put into the block.
So airtight, seal it.
Yeah, see there. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of hot water from the top, and here's the boiling water. So I'm gonna adjust them into going to be at 120 degrees. So now here's a 95. So now I'm going to add a little bit of hot water here.
So you have to do this process for how long, you said? Maybe
30 minutes.
30 minutes, wow. Okay. And just keep the temperature 120 degrees, and there, look, the
Right.
temperature gun. Got a great use for it. Okay.
So it's area to area was a little bit different.
Mhm.
I'm gonna put a little bit more hot water. Under 20.
120,
Right.
perfect, okay.
So I'm gonna keep this one, and then of course in 30 minutes, the temperature going lower.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add a little bit hot
Okay.
water, a little bit, and then keep 120 for next to 30 to 35 minutes.
Okay. And the 30 to 35 minutes is because of the weight of the steak?
Yes.
Okay. All right, very good, Hiro.
Right. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay. So I need to maintain the temperature.
Yes.
So I'm gonna add a little more hot water here,
Okay.
and always keep temperature 120 to 125.
Okay, what's the temperature now, Hiro?
Temperature going up right now. Need a little more hot water. In this
Okay.
case, I'm gonna throw away a little bit of all the water.
Actually, I want to see what the temperature is right now with this boiling water. This is 183.
Mm-hmm.
183 for boiling water. Well, the water coming out here.
How much temperature?
This one is 123.
Okay, that's good.
Perfect,
That's
right?
it. Yeah.
Okay.
Keep going on.
And just for you all, this type of cooking is called Sous Vide. They have some machines that go into a container and keep the temperature, and you can cook it from 1 to 7 hours, sometimes even up to 48 hours. And this
Yeah.
type of cooking basically has been around since 1799. I was reading about that.
1799.
1799. Think about how many years ago. You know?
Right now they have automatic one, you know.
Yeah,
What kind of sensor or whatever.
sure.
You know.
Keep it overnight
So-
or something. So that'd be great. Of course, you gotta make sure your meat is nice and sealed. Okay, Hiro,
Right,
see you again.
I'll be right back. Okay, after 35 minutes, the beef is done. Let's take it out from the Ziploc. Unfortunately, a little bit of water is inside, but it's not a problem. Can we look it up? Okay. It's kind of warm, not warm.
Mm-hmm.
It's getting softer too.
Okay.
Okay, let's start to cook. Hot heat. 340, 360, 70, 80.
Very hot.
Ready to go.
Okay.
Oil. Like that. And beef.
It smells great. So good.
Okay. Okay, so cooking process is finished.
Okay.
So let's wait 5 minutes, simmer down. That's it.
Okay. Very good.
Okay, let's try slice the beef. Okay, first I'm gonna take off the bone. I need to call the sotobe. He's a very, very professional, you know.
Yeah. Wow. I don't know what to say, Hiro.
Okay, let me show you the one. Pick up the one in the center, okay? So steak always you have to see the center.
Right.
Sometimes the side is kind of thinner. Of course, we will cook more. So this is exactly you like.
Wow, that is beautiful.
A little bit raw, but this
Yeah.
is exactly the way cameraman wants.
Really, really nice. Really, really
Your
nice.
style, right?
Oh my goodness,
Rare.
delicious.
But it's not low inside.
Yeah.
You know?
Let me tell you, I wasn't really convinced in this style of cooking, but looking at the steak, oh my goodness, honestly. Here, that is one beautiful piece of meat. Very, very expensive, but for a special occasion,
Yes.
so delicious. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Hiro.
very much.
If you guys like this video, if you want to try it, give them a call. You got to try it at least once in your life. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for spending some time with us. We'll see you very soon. Thank you. We are going to do Salt Bay. Let me tell you what, Hiro. He doesn't have a piece of meat like this. Nothing close.
I'm already.
You got you ready in your chopstick.
Yeah, got a chopstick. Already for tasting.
Let's do it, Hiro.
Sure. Ready?
Okay, itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. I'm gonna do side.
Mm.
See that? Perfect.
Wow.
Perfect. Mm. Mm.
How's the marbling? You guys can see in there the marbling in between the meat fibers. That's what makes it so tender. Makes this beef so expensive, but so good. Oh, here, I want to try one on camera too. Let me get one here. Can you guys see this? Wow. Little. So good. I had a big bite, sorry, all at one time. Here, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
See you
See you
soon.
next time.